In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a dynamic search box in Google Sheets using the powerful functions of filter and regex match for a multi-column search. This will enable your spreadsheet to filter and display matching rows as you type, making it much more efficient and user-friendly. To get started, the first step is to set up your search cell. You'll want to decide where you want this search input to be. A convenient choice might be cell A1 on a sheet you dedicate solely for the search, like a search sheet. If you'd prefer a wider space for entering your search terms, you could merge multiple cells, such as A1 through C1, to create a bigger search box area. This gives you ample space to enter whatever search term you're looking for without feeling cramped. Once you've set up your search cell, move on to using a filter formula just below it. Let's assume the data you want to search resides in Sheet 1, specifically in the range A2 through G, where your headers occupy the first row, A1 through G1. Now, navigate over to the sheet with your search box, say Sheet 2, and focus on cell A2. This is where you'll type in the following formula. V stack, Sheet 1, G1, filter, Sheet 1, A2G, regex match, transpose, query, transpose, Sheet 1E A2G, 909, I, and A1. What's happening here is a bit of magic involving the case-insensitive nature of the search thanks to the regex match. The component I ensures your search isn't case-sensitive, so it doesn't matter if your data or your search term uses upper or lower case letters. This formula will search across all columns from A2 to G and will only return rows that match the search query entered in cell A1. Moreover, by using VStack, the formula maintains the header row from Sheet 1 at the top of your filtered results. This is exceptionally handy, because it means you'll see the headers clearly associated with their respective columns, giving context to your data even after it's been filtered. Take a moment to input your formula accurately and ensure everything aligns correctly. As you start typing into your search cell, you should see the magic unfold with the results dynamically updating and displaying the filtered data immediately below. This approach provides a refined and interactive method to comb through your data effortlessly. By integrating this dynamic search box, you enhance your spreadsheet's functionality and streamline your data interaction in Google Sheets. Enjoy the efficiency and convenience brought to your workflow.